Today we are breaking down two Philippine power companies, Meralco, the undisputed king of power distribution, and First Gen, the country's clean energy pioneer. If you had 100,000 pesos to invest in the Philippine power sector today, where would you invest it? Would you choose Meralco, the dominant electricity distributor serving millions of customers, and a company that has been consistently growing its earnings and dividends? Or would you choose First Gen, a power generation company with major exposure to natural gas, geothermal, hydro, wind, and the country's transition toward cleaner energy? Stay until the end because the winner for dividend investors may not necessarily be the winner for value and growth investors. Meralco is primarily known as the country's largest private electricity distribution company. Its business benefits from the fact that electricity is an essential service. Whether the economy is booming or slowing down, households, offices, malls, factories, and businesses still need electricity. And that's what makes Meralco interesting from an investor's perspective. It is not simply a growth story, it is a story about scale, infrastructure, and recurring demand. First Gen, on the other hand, is primarily a power generation company. Its portfolio includes major investments in natural gas, geothermal energy, hydroelectric power, wind and solar, and LNG infrastructure. So while Meralco distributes electricity to end users, FirstGen is much closer to the production side of the energy business. This gives FirstGen a very different investment profile. It has greater exposure to fuel markets, power prices, project execution, and generation performance, but it also has a stronger exposure to long-term growth of renewable and cleaner energy. Here are the reasons why investors choose Meralco. People need electricity every day. Electricity demand is closely tied to population growth, economic activity, new businesses, and urban development. Meralco's distribution business gives it a highly defensive foundation compared with many cyclical companies. Second, Meralco has strong and consistent earnings growth. Meralco's financial performance over the last 5 years has been impressive. Revenue increased from approximately 318 billion pesos in 2021 to 497 billion pesos in 2025. More importantly, net income increased from approximately 23.5 billion pesos to 51.1 billion pesos over the same period. That is more than doubling a reported net income in just 5 years. The third reason is superior dividend story. For income investors, this is where Meralco becomes particularly difficult to ignore. Meralco's annual dividend per share increased from approximately 16 pesos in 2022 to 28 pesos based on the 2025 dividend declaration. At current market levels in 2026, its indicated yield has been around the mid 5% range. This is not just about a high yield. The more impressive part is that the dividend per share has also shown a strong upward trend. For investors building passive income, that matters. Meralco's three biggest strengths are defensive and essential business, consistent earnings growth, and stronger and growing dividends. Here are the top three reasons to choose FirstGen. First, FirstGen has a strong exposure to clean energy. The Philippines needs more electricity, but it also needs cleaner and more diversified sources of energy. FirstGen has exposure to geothermal, hydro, wind, solar, natural gas, and LNG infrastructure. This gives the company a strategic position as the country continues its energy transition. Second, the company has potentially more attractive valuation. A great company is not automatically a great investment if you pay too high a price. And this is where FirstGen becomes interesting. Based on recent market data, FirstGen has traded at significantly lower earnings multiple than Meralco, while its 2025 profitability improved substantially. That means investors may be paying less for each peso of earnings compared to Meralco. Of course, a cheaper valuation can exist for a reason. The market may be paying in risks such as fuel exposure, project execution, or earnings volatility. But for investors looking for value and possible re-rating potential, FirstGen deserves serious attention. Third and last, First Gen's financial story has been much more volatile than Meralco, but 2025 was particularly strong. The company reported consolidated net income of approximately 21 billion pesos, compared with roughly 14.7 billion pesos in 2024, while recurring earnings attributable to equity holders also increased. First Gen's earnings may be more volatile, but when its different energy platforms perform well, profitability can recover strongly. Here are First Gen's three biggest strengths. First, strong renewable and cleaner energy exposure, more attractive value potential, and strong earnings recovery. What immediately stands out in Meralco's performance is consistency. Revenue increased every year from 2021 to 2025. Net income also increased every single year. That is a very strong earnings trajectory. Before you make any judgment, it's important to understand that revenue recognition and accounting presentation can differ depending on the nature of power contracts and fuel pass-through arrangements. The more important point for investors is profitability. First Gen's net income increased significantly in 2025 after declining in 2024. So First Gen's earnings profile is clearly more volatile, but 2025 demonstrated a strong recovery. If we are judging purely based on consistency, revenue growth, earnings growth, and predictability, Meralco is a clear winner. First Gen had an excellent 2025, but Meralco delivered a much smoother and more consistent 5-year financial performance. Meralco's dividend yield has remained around the 5% to almost 7% range historically, but more importantly, the dividend per share increased significantly. That means Meralco has been rewarding shareholders with a growing amount of cash. For me, this is a major advantage. First Gen's dividend is respectable, but unlike Meralco, we have noted the annual dividend per share decline from its 2023 level. So while First Gen can still provide income, the recent trend is not as compelling as Meralco. For dividend investors, I don't think this one is particularly close. Meralco offers a higher dividend per share, a stronger recent growth trend, and a more consistent income profile. The winner is Meralco. So which stock should you buy? Here's my take. If you are a conservative investor who wants a more predictable business, consistent earnings, strong dividends, and lower earnings volatility, then I would lean towards Meralco. Meralco is, in my view, the better choice for investors who prioritize quality and income. The company's 5-year earnings growth has been more consistent and its dividend profile is clearly stronger. But if you are an investor looking for a potentially cheaper valuation, exposure to renewable and cleaner energy, and potentially higher upside if earnings continue to improve, then First Gen becomes very interesting. First Gen is not as predictable as Meralco, but sometimes greater volatility also creates greater opportunity. Its strong 2025 profitability recovery and diversified energy portfolio make it a strong stock that value-oriented investors should not ignore. So my ranking would be the best for stability and dividends is Meralco, while best for value and potential energy growth is First Gen. But if you're forcing me to choose an overall winner today, Meralco wins this battle. Not because First Gen is a bad company, it is not. Meralco simply wins because its financial performance and dividend profile have been more consistent over the last 5 years. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell because the next videos will continue comparing some of the most interesting Philippine stocks to help you make more informed investment decisions. And as always, invest with patience, invest with discipline, and let your money work for you. See you in the next video.